Welcome back to Cooking Life with Des. Today, let us cook LecheFlan. Things that we need: cooking pot stand, clear disposable plastic box, condensed milk, sugar, milk, and eggs. Let us start. First, let the frying pan hot and then add 1 cup of white sugar. You can use brown sugar as well, it depends on you, but here I use white sugar. And let it melt until all the sugar is melted. Right? It must be all the sugar, nothing left at all. It should be like watery. Alright, once it's melted, then add water. Here I use 1/4 cup of water. Set the fire in a middle heat, then let it boil for a while until the caramelized sugar is melted. Let it cool on one side. Step. We have here 10 pieces of whole eggs. On the other bowl, we have 10 pieces of egg yolk. Let us beat the whole egg first. Beat it in one direction and slowly. Don't make it too fast to avoid bubbling it. Now it's done. Let us add the egg yolk. Mix them well in one direction as well. Avoid mixing it too fast so that it won't be bubbly. It's done. Place it on one side. Next, in one bowl, put 2 cans of condensed milk. In the can of the condensed milk, let us measure the milk or whatever kind of milk that you want to use. It's either fresh milk, full milk, or any other milk that is available at home. Using this can, we will be measuring the milk that we are going to add on the condensed milk. Here, I use 3 cans of milk. Mix them both together. Mix it the way you want it to be. Just make sure that both milk are fully mixed. Then, add it on our egg mixture. Mix it well, but at this time, be careful in mixing it. Mix it in one direction. Avoid mixing too fast to avoid having bubbles. To make sure that you can make a very soft or a smooth LecheFlan. Now the mixture is ready, and as you notice, there is no bubbles at all. Get a strainer and then strain the mixture. This is the first time that I am going to strain it. You notice there are lots of white eggs fibers left. This is the second time. This time there are little bit fibers left. And this is the third time. This time the fibers are getting less and less. This is the fourth time. This time there are a little bit of fibers left, but this is nothing at all. Mixture looks nice and no bubbles at all. Next, on our disposable plastic boxes, we are going to put the caramelized sugar, but make sure that this sugar is really cold or else it will melt the plastic and also the sugar will stick on it. Spread it and make sure that all the sides has the sugar or caramelized sugar. I am sorry, but I forgot to tell you to make the cooking pot ready while you are making the mixture. Once the water is boiled, place the cooking pot stand on it. Make sure that the water will not be over on it. Let us add the mixture on the caramelized sugar. Do it as you wish, but don't worry, it will not mix on the mixture because it's actually a little bit hard. Then place on the cooking pot. Then cover it and cook it for 30 to 35 minutes. Make sure that the fire is not on a high heat or else it will destroy your LecheFlan. It will be like a pudding cake. After 30 minutes or 35 minutes, check it and it will be like this. Remove it from the cooking pot. Make sure to remove the cover of the plastic box to avoid the moisture. Here's the 4 boxes of LecheFlan that I made. From 20 eggs, 2 cans of condensed milk, 3 cans of milk. Here's our LecheFlan ready to serve and ready for eating. Yummy! Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day and be blessed!